Today I have a '08 Ford Focus with the loader rad hose at the clamp. It was leaking at the clamp. Here's the old clamp. It was all rusted. When I pressure tested the coolant system, fluid was coming out from the hose where it connected to the radiator. When I tried to take this clamp off, it broke, and so I'm sure it was busted, and that's why it was leaking. So I want to show you how to get this clamp off, because this upper portion of the tube, this is how it's going to sit in the vehicle. Where this connects to the engine block is buried. Not easy to get to, and I wanted to figure out how to make this easy. So I'm going to show you, hopefully help you out. So let's bring the camera in, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you where it's buried. So there is where the lower rad hose connects to the block. Alright, to get access, first thing we're going to do is take this grill cover off. So it's held in by these little plastic retainers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I've already removed these. Pull this up and straight back. And it's held in by little retainers here. So take these out, pull it forward, it comes down. The other thing you want to take down is this lower cover. This attaches up to the bumper. It's held in by 8 7mm screws. There's 2 over there, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 2 over there. That'll make it easy for you to get to the lower attach point to the radiator. Then we're going to take out our coolant overflow. It's got a 10mm bolt right here. Once that's out, just pull that to the side. Disconnect this piece from the radiator. We're going to take our headlight out. This is going to give us a nice access to the upper connection point on the block. So I got 3 bolts holding this in. I'm going to have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. I've already removed them. Once those bolts are out, just lay this up on the side. Now you can see we have access to that. I already removed the hose, and you'll see me taking it out in the next clip here. But that's how you can get access to that hose, and it only took me 5 to 10 minutes to take everything apart to get. I'm going to get a little pick behind here to break this loose. I could also just cut it with a knife since I'm replacing it, but I'm just trying to get it off here. I may end up using the knife. There, I'm inside. I think this is the original hose. This is an '08, so this hose has been on there for 12 years. Okay, so disconnected the bottom. Here's the old hose clamp that broke, and that's why I am replacing these clamps and hoses.